Hello, my name is Megan Smith. I work at the Early Learning Coalition of Manatee County. Today I'm speaking to you on the behalf of the Early Learning Community Task Force. We are going to discuss tips that you can use while teaching your children about numbers when using the kindergarten readiness bag provided to you by the Patterson Foundation. Let's get started. So you're probably thinking, you went through the bag, but you didn't see really anything with numbers on it. Don't worry, I've got a trick for you. Go ahead and take out your yellow bag and pull out your crayons and your notepad. One other item that we will need that's not in your bag is scissors, so please collect those as well because you're going to be doing a little bit of cutting so we can get this thing started. Now that you've grabbed all your materials, go ahead and grab a crayon and your notepad and begin listing the numbers like this. Make sure you leave enough space in between so that there's only 3 numbers on each line. Once you finish making this number chart, go ahead and make another one that looks just like it on the next page. When that's finished, cut out the second number chart to make number cards, just like this. Tip 1. Ask your child questions that prompt them to count. Then have them answer by pointing to the number on our number chart. Some excellent examples of questions that you can ask them are things about your household. How many chairs do we have at the dining room table? How many windows do we have in our home? How many stuffed animals do you have on your chair? All great questions to use. Tip 3. All you need is your number cards. Head to your child's bedroom and ask them to match the number with items that they have in their bedroom. So let's say 1 pillow, 2 sheets, 3 stuffed animals. Once you finish, collect all your cards again and pick out your child's favorite storybook. Do the same thing but this time add it to the illustrations. 4 trees, 3 cats, 2 birds. The sky is the limit. Tip 4. Take your number chart to the grocery store with you. Ask your child to count with you as you place the amount of items that you need in your grocery basket. Then instruct them to point to however many that you put in there. For example, we need 3 cans of soup. Let's count as I put them in the basket. 1, 2, 3. How many cans of soup did we get? You're right, we got 3. You can also apply this at home if you're setting the table or pulling out ingredients to cook that night.
Tip 5. Have your child touch each item that they count. For example, 1, 2, 3. Then have them point to the number on their number chart. This is called one-to-one correspondence. Next, show your child a group of something. I'm using crayons, but you can use anything: seashells, rocks, sticks, whatever you have around the house or outside. Show your child the group, and then ask your child how many there are without counting. This is called subitizing, and it means just knowing how many there are without counting. 4-year-olds should recognize up to the number 4 and be working on 5 and 6. Both of these are important match skills for a child entering kindergarten.
Last but most certainly not the least, have fun, smile and laugh with your children when learning about numbers. A positive attitude towards numbers could be the most important thing you teach your child. Have a great day.